Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia and I make sewing and DIY fashion videos. So for my first video of the year, I'm going to show you guys how to make a faux fur coat. I think it's just very suitable for the weather we're in now. It's been snowing so badly here in Canada and the temperature even got all the way to minus 25 degrees Celsius, which is horrible. Despite the cold weather, I wanted to make something that's super cute, super soft, but super warm at the same time. So I got this pink faux fur fabric at my local thrift store, and it's just incredibly soft, so this is perfect for the coat I wanted to make. You'll need only about 1 meter of this, and also a lining fabric of your choice. I chose this floral bedsheet that I thrifted a while ago. So yeah, let's go on ahead and start the tutorial. For the pattern, you can just trace a crop jacket you already own. I showed how to do this in my Chanel tweed jacket video, and I'll link in my bio if you're interested. The only adjustments I made was add 1 inch to the button placket and to the sleeve. Also add a facing for the front that is 5 inches wide. And then place your pattern onto the fabric and cut it out. When cutting faux fur, there's going to be a lot of tiny hairs going everywhere, so make sure to have a vacuum next to you to clean up the mess. So here are the sleeves and the lining, the back, the front, and the facing. Now it's time to sew. Place the front and back fur piece right sides together and sew the shoulder seams. I sewed everything with 1/2 inch of seam allowance. Now open up the jacket and pin the middle of the sleeve to the shoulder seam, and then pin the rest till you reach the end. And sew the sleeve down. Now you can see how the jacket is going to look like. Place the right sides together and sew the sleeve and side seams. Now's a good time to try it on and see if you want to make any adjustments. When everything is good, sew the lining as well. Next, place the facing right sides together to the front of the jacket, and then put the lining on top so that it's right sides together to the faux fur. So the layer should be faux fur, facing, and lining. And then we're going to sew the bottom, the button placket, and the neckline all at once, but keep an opening in the back to flip everything inside out. The front will be pretty bulky, but it should look like this. Through the opening we left in the back, flip everything inside out. When everything is flipped, hand sew the opening closed. And next we're going to sew the facing down. You can machine sew this, the stitches probably won't show, but because it's so thick, I decided to just hand sew it. For the sleeves, I try it on and measure where I want them to end. For me, that was 2 inches. And then I cut that off from the lining. And then fold the excess faux fur fabric like this and hand sew the cuffs. Do this for both sides and we're done. Here's the final transformation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, making coats is actually surprisingly easy since the shape is just like a box. You can also add like a ribbon or little fasteners to tie it closed. I decided to just keep it plain and simple and I might add something else in the future to it. You can add pockets as well. I find that would be super helpful. I still have some fabric left. I might make more projects like this in the future as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram to see any updates. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!